Today, I will be unboxing the iClique full face snorkel coming up. Welcome everyone to Reviews by Lucas. My wife and I have been looking at buying full face snorkels for some time now. So we went ahead and bought the full face snorkel by iClique off of Amazon. Today I'm going to be unboxing that for you, but before we get started, hit subscribe down below if you haven't already. That way you don't miss out on any of my future content. Let's get unboxing. Here it is everyone. My Amazon box with my full face snorkel inside. I went ahead and cut into it to make things a little bit faster for this part of the video. I'm going to pull everything out, going to open it up, and then we're going to go over what comes with it. So I'll pull all this stuff out, set my box down to the side. So here you see the user manual for this mask or full face snorkel. And here it looks like we have a waterproof case for your cell phone, which is kind of handy. My favorite part, well, one of my favorite parts, I'm going to get into my biggest part that I like about this mask in a second here, but I do like that it comes with a carrying case. It'll make it a lot easier when carrying it around to go to the different places I'm going to be using this. Let's pull this out and set the case off to the side. So, the feature that I like that we were looking for when I bought this, because I do like to film while I'm on vacation, is it comes with a clip or a mount, I guess you would say, for your action camera, or what I'll be using it for is my GoPro. As well, it comes with, it looks like, a couple earplugs to put in while you're snorkeling. The rest of the piece is for mounting your action camera, as well as looks like a little valve or replacement valve for inside your snorkel here. But let's open this up. I'm going to pull the last of the plastic off. The clip here, I believe from the photos I've seen, just slides over the face here, or the piece just above the face of the mask. So let's try and get this on here. A little bit tricky, but just slides into place like that. Then your snorkel swings out. There's a little flip tab here to snap it into place, which, there we go. Being a little bit stubborn, I guess you'd call it. So flip that out. This piece hooks over. You flip the tab down and then you snap that into place. Then you put your connection pieces on that you need to attach your camera, which this should just slide in like so. Mount your camera on there and away you go. I hope you all enjoyed this video. My wife and I are excited to get using these full face snorkels. We've heard great things about this style of snorkel. I will be posting a link down in the description below for those of you who are interested in purchasing this snorkel. For now, hit subscribe, turn on the notification box, and leave your comments down below.